The MTO DWG command. With the MTO DWG command, user-defined reports for the active DWG can be exported in Excel format with just one click. The command is available in SuCri either for the active DWG or for the entire project. You can recognize this by the extension DWG or PRJ. If you want to create a report on the entire project, access to all files is mandatory. After executing the command, you will be asked for a location for your report. Once it has been successfully created, it will open automatically. As you can see, the Hay profile is also listed here. We would now like to modify our report so that it no longer shows the default structures and add inlays. To add inlays, we select our supports and set the inlay parameter to 1 in the properties. In this case, silicone inlays are added to our supports. Now we load the settings to make further adjustments there. Please note that Plant 3D must be started as admin for this. The MTO filter tab takes us to the settings for our MTO. We now set the default structure property to no. This means that the default profiles are no longer listed in the report. Now we load the settings file into SuCri. Once we have successfully loaded the settings, we create our new MTO. As you can now see, the Hay profile is no longer listed and the inlays have also been added to the report. Enjoy the next video.